Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use the Linky app. First, open the Play Store and search for the Linky AI app. Download and open the Linky app on your phone. The first thing is to choose the tags you like. Select and tap Start a Journey. You will be directed to the homepage and there are many AI-generated options. These characters can be customized with unique personalities. All the hashtags are shown on the top. It allows you to chat with the AI character to embark on your experience. Swipe right to view all the tags and select to view characters. Scroll down and view all the AI-given created characters. To start using the app, you need to log into your account. You can sign up using the Google account and tap on it. Select your birth date and tap on the Confirm button. Choose your Google account to start using the app. After signing in, you will see the characters in the Me tab. Tap on any AI character to view all the details. Tap on the plus button and select any of the mode. Choose between the IP character or the original character. You can create and design your own AI mate. Tap on the name bar and give a name to your AI character. Select and write the character's descriptions or add an image for reference. You need to enter the information and look for your character. Go to the options and select the information. There are different types including fandom, setting, personality, feature, and plot. Scroll down to review the list and select the information you want to add for your character. Go to looks and choose the look of your character. After that, tap on the Generate button to start generating the character. On the home screen, tap on any character to start chatting. Scroll down to see all the characters. You can search for the character by tapping on the search. Search the character by name and tap the character to chat. Start chatting with the character and it will reply to you immediately. You can chat with multiple characters by choosing another AI character. Chat with the AI character on the home screen. Start chatting with them and they will reply to you with the expressions. Chat with them to enhance your experience with them. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.